Somewhere in the middle of the world, someone just placed an order. Maybe in New Jersey, maybe in London, or maybe in Melbourne. They probably closed the tab and went to bed. And somewhere between brushing teeth and falling asleep, started wondering, did I just send my money to a website I have never heard of? If you ever ask that question about us, this video is just for you. Let me show you what actually happens after you hit the place order and close the tab, because yeah, that's usually when the overthinking starts. And honestly, we get it. Here's what usually happens when you are ordering from a brand you haven't tried before, especially prepaid. There is this tiny voice in the back of your head. Will it come? Will it be genuine? Will it be fresh? Will it arrive in one piece? Will I get the right product? And yeah, that voice completely fair, because how products are sourced and handled can vary a lot. Old stock, near expiry products, fake labels, look-alikes. Products that look right on the outside but aren't the same inside. And honestly, this is exactly where most people hesitate. So instead of asking, you just trust us. We built a process that checks everything. Your order lands in our system within seconds of you placing it. Every item, every brand, every variant, every size, all clearly listed. Somebody thinks they picked the right product. Close enough, same brand, different variant, look similar on the shelf. Not here. Every single item gets scanned against your order. If the barcode doesn't match what you order, the system doesn't let us move forward. No guesswork, no looks right to me. No, this should be fine. That's step one. But picking the right product is only half the job. Now it needs to be checked, and that's exactly what happens here. This is the most important table in the whole warehouse. Before anything goes into a box with your name on it, it lands here first. Every order, every item, it all passes through here first. Three things that happens at this table. First, expiry check. And not just is it expired, we even check how much shelf life is left on the product. If there is not enough time between the box leaving us and the product going bad, it doesn't ship, because you shouldn't pay international shipping for something that expires before you have finished the whole jar. Second, authenticity check. Every product on our shelves is sourced directly from the brand, from authorized distributors in India, not from some random resellers in between. The box you open should look exactly like the box someone in India would open. Third, physical condition. Seals intact, no damage, no leaks. Everything in proper condition. If anything feels off, it doesn't move forward. We reject products at this table every single day. Not because we want to, but because it's the only way we can honestly stand behind what we send you. That it's genuine, exactly what you ordered, in a good condition, and actually worth what you paid for it. And once everything checks out here, that's when we move to packaging. And here's the honest part. Your order is going to travel thousands of miles, planes, trucks, sorting hubs, multiple transit points along the way. So we overpack. On purpose, we start with good quality honeycomb paper packaging for extra cushioning. It really helps protect fragile items during transit. On top of that, glass items get double wrapped twice. Fragile products get corner protection and a separate layer. So even if something goes wrong in transit, the rest of your order stays safe. Then it ships from here to you. And once it leaves us, most of the journey is in the hands of the courier. Real talk. Does every order go perfectly? No. I would be lying if I said it did. Sometimes a courier damages a box. Sometimes something slips through. It can be anything, really. But if something does go wrong with your order, we are right there with you. But what really matters is what happens next. If something goes wrong, You won't be dealing with it alone. You tell us and we fix it. Replacement, refund, reship, whatever it takes. No arguing, no back and forth, no prove it emails. Our team will be right there with you, helping you sort it out. And honestly, that's the same approach we take with everything here. So there's one more thing I want to be straight with you about. Sometimes people look at our prices and think that feels expensive. But when you actually compare it properly, that's not always the full picture. Getting products from across continents isn't simple. There's sourcing, handling, and international logistics involved. And when you buy locally or from other online sellers, what you often don't see is that the final price is already including multiple layers added along the way before it even reaches you. So you end up either paying more than you expect or getting less clarity about where the product has actually come from and how it's been handled. At Dista, we remove a lot of those extra layers. We work directly with trusted brands and authorized distributors in India and ship straight to you. And here's something important. Shipping and customs are already included in what you see at checkout. There are no hidden charges later, no extra custom payments when it arrives. What you see is exactly what you pay, simple and worry-free. Which is why, in many cases, you are not just getting authentic Indian products, you're getting a more direct, more transparent, and often more value efficient way to buy them compared to local stores or other platforms. And if you're trying us for the first time, we have also got something to make your first order even better. You can download the Dista app on iOS or Android and get flat 12% off using the code AppFirst. At the end of the day, it's not just about buying Indian products. It's about getting them the right way, clear, direct, and without surprises. Every order we receive is someone trusting us with their money, and usually with something they can't get anywhere else. A remedy their grandmother swore by, a pickle that tastes like home, a skincare brand they grew up with. We do not take them all lightly. So, is Dista safe? Because for us, every box isn't just a shipment. It's someone looking forward to something they really care about. Not because we say so, because of everything that happens between the moment you click place order and the moment the box lands at your door. And if you're one of those people who's been quietly wondering whether to try us, I hope this gave you a little more clarity. Because at the end of the day, we are not just shipping products, we are sending something people actually care about. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more behind the scenes stories from Dista. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss our next video. Bye.